want to learn something new.
Any incidents?
You got 6 kids in the lost and found, 28 down for heat, and some idiot tried to feed ice cream to a triceratops.
Your assistant's online too. Zach and Gray are here?
Tell her I'll be there in 5. My sister's kids. Clean up your workspace. It's chaotic.
How big is the island?
Big.
But how many pounds?
That doesn't make sense.
Come on!
Hey, don't wander off, all right? Mom's not paying me for babysitting.
Aunt Claire!
Zara here is going to take great care of you until I'm done working tonight, okay? Okay, so, have fun and take very good care of them, okay? Mr. Mizrani, you're flying.
I got my license. Okay. Now show me my new dinosaur. It's white. You never told me it was white.
The Indominus Rex, our first genetically modified hybrid.
Oh, she's intelligent then.
Oh, Indominus wasn't bred. She was designed. Bigger. Scarier. She'll be 50 feet long when fully grown. Bigger than the T-Rex.
So the paddock is quite safe then?
We have the best structural engineers in the world.
Yeah, so did Hammond. There's an American Navy man here, Owen Grady.
I know who he is.
His animals often try to escape. They're smart. Yes, they're smart.
He only thinks he's smarter.
I want you to bring him in. Let him inspect the paddock. Maybe he sees something we can't.
Heck! Sorry! It's stuck on one of the branches!
All right, come on. Get the pig down here.
What? Oh, heck! Sorry! It's stuck on one of the branches!
Man. It's all right. I'll climb up there and cut it free. If I can find something to climb.
Try not to fall. I would hate for your pets to lose their master.
Thanks! Sorry, it won't happen again. Whoa! Oh, okay, now, in fairness to me, that was a different mistake that time.
Just what I need.
Come on, Owen. Surely we can track down the little pig. Come here, little piggy. Haha, got you. This way, little piggy.
Are you going to release the velociraptors now, sir?
What happened to the equipment?
Sorry, we took it apart for maintenance, and, we forgot how to reassemble it. Do you remember how to? Oh yeah, that's more like it. We did try earlier, but it ended up looking like a playground swing set.
Barry, it needs some juice.
No, we're off to the races.
Good job. Barry, charge up the gate.
Certainly.
There he goes. Are you gonna let him get away from you? Come on, you can make that jump. climb. You can do it. Sometimes when you can't go over, you gotta go through. That's just another switch. You know what to do. Come on, you can smell the pig, can't you? Where's it hiding? You can't both get up there, you have to cooperate. He's just behind that gate.
Come on, pig, get in or you're baking. Yeah, that's it. That's it. Nope, nope. Whoa! Oh no. Oh no.
Lou! Charlie! No!
I think we need to distract them from lunch, Owen.
Come on. There's gotta be something in here. Okay, let's try this. Very juicy.
Come on, pig! Open up! It won't open. The crates will pound it. Move, go!
Owen! You got a meeting out of your palm.
What do you want, buddy?
A field test. I've just seen that they can respond to commands. We need to take the research and get it on its feet.
These are wild animals, Hoskins. Trust me, you don't want them in the field.
We finally make progress, and that's the first thing he says. Make a weapon.
Mr. Grady?
Owen.
Owen, I need you to come take a look at something. A new species we've made. We'd like you to evaluate the paddock for vulnerabilities.
Indominus Rex? What's this thing made of?
The base genome is a T-Rex, the rest is classified.
Where is it?
It was just here, we were just here.
Doesn't make any sense. These doors haven't been open in weeks.
Were those claw marks always there?
You think it...
I don't understand. There's no way it could get over the walls without us noticing.
What about under... There. It tried digging its way out.
Which is why we made the foundation so deep.
Can you get us up to that walkway?
Sure. Can't see anything from up here.
See if there's anything useful in here. I'll find a way around for you.
Should we really be making it easier for the Indominus Rex to climb the walls? That ship has sailed. And is probably eating... Thanks!
She knocked that down?
Yeah. Did more digging than we thought. How do we get across? The wall's 40 feet high. You really think she climbed out?
Depends.
On what?
What kind of dinosaur they cooked up in that lab?
Paddock 11, this is Control. You need to leave the paddock immediately. Paddock 11, do you copy?
What's the problem?
It's in the cage. It's in there with you.
If it's got T-Rex in its DNA, then it probably sees movement. So move slowly.
Man, we're done for. We're gonna get eaten.
No one's getting eaten.
You wanna bet on it?
I'll take that bet.
The electrics have shorted out. Ellis, charge it up again. All right. Okay. You owe me $5.
Stay there. There's gotta be something in here.
The only exit.
Then we've got to get it to move. Is there a way to get on top of the observation deck?
Maybe. I'll have to do a scan.
Evacuate the island.
She has an implant in her back. I can track it from the control room.